Magandang gabi mga idol. Ang pandigan nito ay atid sa inyo ng ating sangguniang kamatan ng Barangay San Manuel sa pangunguna ng ating SK Chairman RJ at ang kanyang mga SK kagawad. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Sa ating malupit na announcer ngayong gabi, walang iba, from Nara Panchoy. Ganon din sa ating referee from SBB Puerto Princesa Chapter. Final quarter na po mga idol. Good luck both team and enjoy watching.
Bacosa 3 points. 67 and 75 score. Siyang takot number 77. Mano-mano mula dito sa utol ng MVP ng Palawan, number 77, Gerald Tagot. It's a 7 minutes and 10 seconds remaining, 10 seconds on the shuttle. We have only 8 seconds to shoot and the chopper 22 points area. Isabay nga po mula sa ating dalawa ang pinipwesto at number 77, Gerald Tagot again. Parang kumakawat na nga may rising MVP. In 6 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. In Laksamana, counted basket and one. The counted basket, from for foul on Tracy number 5. In pushing foul, then one free throw. Then the second personal foul, then first team foul. The first free throw doesn't work. It's a 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. 6 na minuto at 40 segundo. RJ, PJ lang nga muna sa RJ. Nag-good for the 2 points niya. 69-79 score. Magpalintaran muna sa kabila. Number 15, going to Bacosa. May kasama pang foul. Counter basket. May kasama pang foul. Talagang mapapasigurado pa. Hatid sa inyo ng markada. Foul on jersey number 20. Call for a pushing foul. And a one free throw for the 15 bootleg. Then jersey number 14. And Bacosa. We have only 6 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Defense. Defense. Offense, defense. In Hazel Gali, counted basket and one. Counted basket foul, jersey number 15 in pushing foul. Number 15 go for pushing foul in one free throw. Running score 72-81. Itong ating labanan, hatid sa atin ang ating Lola Charing Magic House. And Lola Charing, thank you so much po. Mapagpalang gabi. At jersey number 5, and Hazel Gali para makumpleto ang inyong tapong kwento. Then 6 minutes to go. Then Laksamana number 1, we have only 15 seconds shot line. Norman for the wing side. At the jumper for Ibanez. Not good for Ibanez. At the Puyo number 7, and Puyo good for 2 points. Medyo dalawa ang pupusan mula sa ating number 7 kay Kuyo. 8 bundles in 42 seconds remaining. At running score 74-82. Baka ang po sa 8 puntos. Number 7 going to Bacosa. At number 14 Bacosa good for 2 points. 5 minutes in 30 seconds remaining. Number 13 for Arjun Gabinete. 76-82 score. Gerald Tagot number 77. Makakawala naman po. Yung rising MVP, good for 2 points, and Gerald Tagot. It's a 13 seconds on the shot clock. Number 01, Laksamana. 2 points by Laksamana. Then Manama, Eric Magbanwa to Jerry Tagot to Gerald Tagot. At final combination, call for foul. They call for foul on jersey number 15. Number 15 call for legal contact with arm and a 2-meter substitution. In jersey or number 15 Ibanez out and Balasotti. Then Gerald Dagot good for 1 point. It's a 4 minutes and a 50 seconds remaining. In 4 minutes and a 45 seconds remaining. Running score 17-85 score. In 4 minutes and a 40 seconds remaining. Number 14. Then pag-asa number 14, 5 for 3. Nagdo for the 15 area. 4 na minuto at 35 segundo. 5 for 3. Wala pa na yan. Going to El Banana, Eric Magbarwa. Dinatutan ng bibig. Sirang takot yung mga kasama. Good for 2 points. Good combination. Ito mga maliliit pero automatic. Kung umatake sa maliit na butas. 4 na minuto at 20 segundo. This last and foul quarter. Well put back. Pero may matinding usapan po doon. In call for foul. Jersey number 33. Oh, Jersey. Then Jersey number 23. RJ Gabinete call for foul. Substitution. Mikhail number 9 out and Ibanez number 15. Last and final free throw, number 13. RJ Gabinete number 23 rebound. 4 minutes and a 10 seconds remaining. And the jersey number 7 going to Gerald. And Gerald 5 for 3 outside. Time! Time out! It's a timeout. Your team 5 protection. 1 It's a 78-90 score. 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining and last in 1 quarter. We have only 4 minutes. Ibabalik ang ating kwentong 3 minuto 54 at number 7 for the jumper. And Cuyo number 7, good for 2 points by Cuyo. And jersey number 7, we have only minutes and 3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. Number 33, RJ Gabinete, step back at the front of DP. Not good for the DP down the reach. We have only 3 minutes and 33 seconds. 30 seconds shot clock. El Banana Eric. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Gerald Dagot 5 for 3. And Gerald not good. Sometimes on Gerald Dagot. We have only the minutes and 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Call for foul. It's a foul on jersey number 77. Gerald Dagot. Illegal contact with arm. A 2 free throw. Three minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Good for 1 point. 1 point. 81-90 score. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Then ang sa last and final free throw. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. 81-90 score. 13 seconds to shot clock. Then Jerick Dagot, number 7, going to the wing side. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. El Banana, Eric Magbarwa, 3 points. And outside jumper, 3 points. Biglang mawin naman pulot sa ating usapan. We have only been inside 2 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. Black Samara, Black by RJ. And for jersey number 7, we have only 2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Call for out to bounce. Din 2 minuto at 35 segundo lamang po, 14 seconds shot clock reset. Remaining time 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining, 13 seconds on the shot clock at number 15, Ibanez going for Cuyo. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock, number 7, not basket, call for true robbery violation. Matatawagan ang magpipituan ng running violation, substitution. Then El Banana out. Or timeout, call for team PCB. It's a timeout for the team of PCB, 84-93 score. Ito Prinsesa, we have only 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. And Abdul Jabbar ng Puerto Prinsesa, we have only 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds shot time. Abdul Jabbar on the steal to Gerald Dagot. Going we have only 15 seconds, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Bad call for foul. It's a foul on jersey number 7. 11 contact with arm and 2 free throw. In jersey number 77, Gerald Dagot. It's good. Remaining time. And last 2 minutes. Medyo sala nga po sa ating dalawahan doon. Yun sana yung ating for the win, pero hindi nga ubra. Hazel Gali, rebound to RJ Gabinete. Ang number 33, RJ going to the sniper. That's David Gali by Abdul Jabbar. Not good! Then isasatay mula sa ating takluhan mga Choy. Then going to number 13, Big. And a jumper. Gumamit pa ng kanyang pagtukot na opensa. Remaining time, we have only remaining time, 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. This last is foul punter at number 77, Benjamin Dagot. Laban dito sa Maosa. Going to the MVP of Palawan, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Remaining time, we have only 1 minute 80 seconds remaining. Outside, boom! Yung tipong tumako na yung butiki, nahanap pa ng kanyang tirada. Patay yung butiki. 1 minute 10 seconds, shooting 2 points. Very good for 2 points. Remaining time, 1 minute to go. Y 88, 95. It's a 13-7 shot clock. Again, 5-3 outside jumper. Not good for the team Bensaya. 48 seconds remaining. Ebanez, number 15. Ebanez jumper. What a move by Ebanez. Good for 2 points. 40 seconds remaining. Gerald Dagot, number 77. Call for foul. Jersey number 14. Call for pushing foul. Warning for entering for penalty, 14 foul. 38 seconds remaining. It's a 15 seconds on the shot clock. We have only 28 seconds remaining. 8 seconds shot clock. Again, 5-3 outside and in. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 18 seconds. Number shot clock. And Ebanez, number 15, jumper. 2 points. Time out. 92-95 score. 5-point lead na lamang po for Team of PCB. 14 seconds remaining. In 14 seconds shot clock. Derek Dagot, we have only 10 seconds. 11 seconds foul, jersey number 14, and penalty situation. It's a penalty situation. In jersey number 7, Derek Dagot.
Kung umabot ka na sa part ng video na ito, baka naman pwedeng pakisubscribe ang ating YouTube channel, Basketballers. At pakibisita na rin po ang ating Facebook page, France TV 2.0. Pakipollow na rin po mga idol. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.